If you want to protect your content from being used by the others without your permission or from being used by AI modules to train them, Adobe has a new solution for you. The solution is content credentials, and you can use it when you export your videos, your files, your images, anything using Adobe products. And let me show you how. First, you need to go to Adobe Content Authenticity, and here we have preferences, and you can add or connect your social media accounts. You can't add any new, but you can connect the one that exists here, which are Behance, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. For me, YouTube is missing. It's the main platform that I'm using. And here we have also many other options. They are not the topic now because I'm going to talk just about Premiere Pro. You can here apply to all content that you created, and you can manage what you added, and then you can inspect and search for content or for things that you created and being used by the others. Now let's go back to Premiere Pro, and here we need to go to export. We can click on export here or use the shortcut Control M, and then we need to go down here to General. And here at the bottom, we have export content credentials. And we have a tooltip here. You can read it. Content credentials will be written into the exported file if any source material used in the export has content credentials. Then you click on export, and your credentials or your content credentials will be exported within the file. And that's it.